Dr. Moosa. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, Dr. Moosa?
Absolutely. Well, thank you for having me today. I'm Dr. Moosa. I'm the surgeon at Excel Laser Vision Institute. I've been doing refractive surgery now for well over 22 years. My educational background, just to bring you up to speed with where I've been, I went to USC undergrad, graduating with my Bachelor's of Science, and then going on to Harvard Medical School, where I received my medical education. Thereafter, I went back to USC to complete my my residency training in ophthalmology at the Doheny Eye Institute, and then pursued my interest in correcting, individuals' eyes, people that had trouble seeing. My passion was correcting your eyes by getting rid of your cataract surgery. That was my initial passion, and quickly evolved as LASIK was coming about to treating patients with LASIK eye surgery.